Yo, what's up guys? Today in this video we will be taking a look at a very, I'd say, lower, like, entry level smartphone. This is a Redmi 9i and 10,000 Indian rupees. So let's see what we get, and actually is this phone garbage or actually usable or maybe even good. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so first up in the box we get, so like, this phone has some sort of a texture to it, like, yeah, and it does not feel that cheap. Honestly, it does not feel very high end, but this is a, like, an this is an acceptable design for this price point. It does have two cameras, as you can see, and a USB-C. No, it does not have USB-C. Okay, I kind of wish it had USB-C, but I think it's fine. But yeah, you still have micro USB, a single down firing speaker, and a notch. Okay, let's see what else we get. Okay, so in this we should have, okay, we don't have a case with it. Okay, this is surprising. We usually get cases with Xiaomi phones, but okay. You get a charger and a cable. That's pretty much it, nothing else. The specs of this phone are as follows. Let's turn it on and see if it's any good. Okay, now let's turn it on. Vibration motor is fine, it just vibrated, nothing crazy stuff. So while it's booting up, we can actually see that it does have 5000 milliamp hour battery, which is actually really good for this price. Like, this will say that it does not have a very high-end processor as well, and not even higher refresh rate screen, so you should get some really good battery life with it. Okay, as you can see the screen, it looks completely fine. It's an acceptable screen for the price. The bezels are a little bit thick overall, but I'm fine with it. While we wait for it, make sure to check out my Discord server, link in the description. You can see the animation jittering a bit. We'll see. Okay, so we are in the UI. Let's see how good the UI feels. Oh my god, no, I don't want this crappy apps. Okay, so UI feels pretty alright. Okay, what the heck? Yeah, it feels pretty decent. Let's see how the cameras are. If it actually opens. Okay, oh my god. Okay, let's see. Cameras are pretty decent for this kind of device actually. For quick document scanning, some quick pictures, it should be fine. And it does have some modes and stuff. It should be pretty good. Video looks not amazing, but it's fine. Okay. And moreover, the back feels really good. It does have a texture finish, if I didn't say that already, but yeah, I think you don't need a case with it, but still, if you want. But I'll definitely use a screen guard, even though screen looks fine, but you still don't want to scratch it, I guess. The bezels are a bit noticeable though, but I think it's comparable for what it is. honestly. Do get some hell lot of bloatware with this, which I think is not so cool, but whatever, you can always disable those things. So I guess that's it for this hands-on video. If you are interested in seeing anything else about this device, let me know in the comments. If you have any questions, leave it down below. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you the next time.